See the next problem, which is the 11th problem. Here, what's the question given here? Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. That means here you need to factorize this one by the help of the identities. Now you need to check which identity you can apply. By seeing itself, you will come to know you can apply this the identity which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. And you know that what is the formula for x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is nothing but x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. So you need to change this one into the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So here you can observe that y cube and z cube are there. There is no need to change. So this one you need to change in the form of whole cube. So here this 27, which number you need to multiply 3 times such that you will get 27, you need to check, right? And you know that 1 into 1 into 1 which gives you 1, and similarly 2 into 2 into 2 which gives you 8. And if you see here 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, right? If you multiply 3 times, what you get? 3 is 9 and 9 is 27. So here you can write 27 as 3 into 3 into 3. So this is nothing but 3 cube. So this one, how you can write? You can write this one as 3x whole cube, right? And this cube is applicable to both of these values. You know that 2 cube, 3 cube is 27 into x cube. So here, write it here, y cube plus z cube. Now you can observe that we have written in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube, right? What is there in the place of x here? 3x is there. So this is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. 3 into x. What is the value of x here in this case, which is 3x? And what is the value of y, which is y? And what is the value of z, which is z? So here we have changed this expression in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. You can observe here 3 into 3 which is 9xyz. So we have written this 9xyz as 3 into 3x into y into z. Why? Because we want to change this one into the form of the identity which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now here, what you know the identity, you can expand it. Before that, write what is the identity here. I am writing here. You know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is nothing but x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So here we have changed this one into the form of this one. Now you know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to this one. Just write by applying this one. So write it here, which is equal to x plus y plus z. So what is the value of this? Is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. We got it here. Now you can write this one as in the form of x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. So in the place of x, what is there? 3x. So write it here, 3x plus y plus z, which is nothing but x plus y plus z. Now you need to write the next term, which is x square, right? What is the value of x square here, which is nothing but 3x whole square. Write it here, 3x whole square plus y square plus z square minus xy. What is the value of x here, which is 3x into y minus yz. Yz is nothing but y into z only. So write it here, yz minus zx. What is the value of z, which is z, and what is the value of x, which is 3x. So write it here, z into 3x. Just we have written this one into the form of this identity. Now you can multiply here. So what you will get here, 3x plus y plus z. Just multiply it, 3x whole square, which gives you here 9x square. 3 3s are 9 and x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz or zx. Anything you can write it. Like that you need to factorize. So what is meant by the factorization? Nothing but if you have given any expression, you need to that expression as a product of the polynomials. So here, since we got this identity which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, so we have changed this one so that we have factorized the given polynomial. Now see the next question here. Twelfth question. What's the question given here? Verify that. You need to verify the given equation. What is the given equation? Write it here, which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, what is the RHS value they have given? 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So here you need to verify this equation. That means you can take the LHS or you can prove it is equal to RHS, or whether you can take the RHS value and you can prove that is equal to LHS. You can do it in any of the way. Since I am taking here the RHS part and I prove here RHS is equal to LHS. So here let us take this one. So how do you prove this equation? So here you need to write this one in the form of, which one you can write it here. You can observe that what is LHS part here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. And you know that this formula is nothing but just before only we have proved x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. So you need to write this one as like this. So first I will say here what is the formula for x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is nothing but x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. This is the formula you know. So here what we will do now, you take the RHS part. So after taking this RHS part, change this expression in the form of this one. If you change this one and you know that this value is nothing but this value, so you can substitute it. So here let us take the RHS here. What is RHS here, which is 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into, so here expand this one. You know that what is the value of a minus b whole square, which is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So write it here, expand this one, x minus y whole square, which is nothing but x square minus 2xy plus y square. So write it here, x square minus 2xy plus y square. Similarly, you can expand this one. What is the formula for y minus z whole square, which is y square plus z square minus 2yz. So write it here, plus y square plus z square minus 2yz. Similarly, expand z minus x whole square, which is nothing but z square plus x square minus 2xz. So just we have expanded by using the formula a minus b whole square. Now here what you will get, 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into, just add what are the items here. So here x square is there, any x square term is there, yes, it is there. So you know that x square plus x square, which gives you here 2x square, right? And similarly now see the y square terms. Here y square is there, here y square is there, y square plus y square, which gives you here 2y square. Now see here the z square terms. Here z square is there, here z square is there. So z square plus z square, which gives you here 2z square. Now what are the terms which is left out, which is minus 2xy, write it here, minus 2xy, minus 2yz and minus 2zx. Okay. Here you can observe that here in all these terms 2 is there, right? 2 here, 2 is there, here 2, 2, 2, right? So in this term here yz and here zx. Just I have to 2 outside, and here you can observe that this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So here what you are left in here, you are left in here with x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. And you know that what is this value, which is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So in the place of x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx, here you can observe that this value and this value is same. So in place of this value you can apply this value, because you know that it is an identity. So here you can write it here, this one, which is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Right? This is nothing but what? This is LHS. So we can say that here LHS is equal to RHS. So what we are doing here, we are taking the value of the RHS and we are writing this whole expression in the form of x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx, because you know that this value is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So how we have solved? Just we have expanded this value, and after that we have took here 2 common, and this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, and we have applied this identity and we have proved this one. From this session is complete.